Hello guys, welcome back to HackIsOn tutorial. So in this video we'll be discussing about Google's AutoDraw functionality. So recently I have heard about this and I have made this video for you guys. Okay, so let's start. Let's use it and see how different it is and how it works. Okay, so let's start. So before entering into the video, I want to mention you guys something about the newest gift. So each and every one of my subscribers will be getting that um, surprise gift, and for this you need to do one thing. So I'll be telling about that in the middle of the video. Okay, so watch till the end guys, so don't miss out the surprise gift. Okay, so let's start. Open up your browser, type autodraw.com. Our autodraw board will be looking like this. Okay, so let's see what are all the functionalities available in this. So the first one is select, and the second one is autodraw, where you can autodraw and Google will find what you're exactly trying to do. Okay, so the third one is draw. This is like our painting. So the fourth one is text. You can type whatever you want and you can fill colors for that, for those. And here some shapes are also available. So there are three shapes available. One is circle, and another one is rectangle, and the third one is triangle. Okay, so these are all the shapes available, and here you can choose whatever color you want. Okay, so there are around 20 colors, 25, 30. Okay, around 30 colors are available. So you can use it whatever colors you want, and you can zoom in and you can undo it and you can delete it. Okay, so here there is an option. You can use portrait, or you can even use A4 size sheet, and whatever you want. Okay, so you can download your final work after completing everything. You can download it from here. Okay, so you can even directly share it, and there are some shortcuts available and artists. Okay, so let's start guys, let's try it out. So for the first time I'm going to draw my Tesla car. So actually I'm a big fan of Tesla. Okay, so I'm going to draw a car. So let's start. Sorry guys, assume this is a car. Okay, so yeah, Google has finally concluded that this is a car. Google has convinced itself. So this is my car. Ta-da! Okay, so let me make it black color. Okay, so it is in a blue color. So let's fill some color inside it. Okay, so I think white is better. So okay, let it be in a white color. So you can even choose whatever color you want. So let me choose green. Yeah, yuck, it was not matching. So let it be white color. Okay, so you now let me type something over here. Let me type HackIson's Tesla car. Okay, so this is my HackIson's. This is what HackIson's Tesla car. And if you are a new viewer to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, and you will be getting a chance to ride in my Tesla car. Haha, sorry. Okay, so just for fun. Okay, this is a HackIson's Tesla car, and if you have watched this video till the end, definitely I'll be presenting this car to you. Oh, this was also a joke. Okay, so let me draw something. 2019. Okay, so 2019. So I think this is looking pretty good. Okay, so this is my drawing. So that's it guys. You have seen that Google's AutoDraw function, and it will whatever you draw, Google will automatically detect and tell you it's an ice cream. Yeah, Google has convinced again, and it is confirmed that this is an ice cream. So it will show you all the related stuffs on the top guys. So what are all the things are matching to your drawing, it will show up on the top of the bar, like near to the taskbar. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all about Google's AutoDraw. And I already have told you, right? For my subscribers, I'll be giving a special New Year gift. So the New Year gift was, for getting that New Year gift, you need to subscribe, you need to like this video and share this video. Okay, so okay guys, once you done that, you directly contact us through Instagram, so we will be providing you the gift. Okay, so that's all, guys. That's all for today. Thanks for being a part of HackIsOn. So for each and everyone, each and every subscribers and each and every viewers of this channel, a happy new year. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice year ahead. Okay, brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.